In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer statement in Zoho Books. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, make sure you navigate to Zoho's official website. Zoho provides a comprehensive suite of cloud software applications that's trusted by businesses worldwide, and Zoho Books is an integral component of this suite, specifically designed to simplify your accounting tasks. Once you're on the Zoho website, look for the sign in button. Click it to access your account. If you don't have an account, it's simple to set one up by following the prompts on the sign up page. Make sure to have your credentials handy as you'll need them to log in. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Zoho homepage. From here, it's time to move to the sales module. This area is essential because it's where you'll manage all your business transactions, including customer interactions and billing activities. By clicking on the Sales tab, you'll gain access to additional options specifically related to customer management. Next, navigate to the Customers section. This part of the platform is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of all your clients, along with access to tools that facilitate effective relationship management. Once you access this section, you'll be able to search for the particular customer for whom you need to create a statement. Zoho Books allows you to filter and sort customers, making it easy to find exactly who you're looking for, even if your client list is extensive. Once you've identified the relevant customer, you can begin adding the necessary details. This might include specific transaction data, payment history, or other relevant financial interactions that occurred over a predetermined period. Accuracy is key here, as this information forms the basis of the statement you'll generate and ultimately share with your customer. Depending on your requirements, you might choose to include detailed line items or a simpler aggregated summary in the statement. After finalizing these details, review everything carefully to ensure there are no errors. Zoho Books is designed with user-friendly interfaces and helpful prompts to assist you in this process, but it's always a good idea to double-check your entries. Once you are satisfied with the information, you can proceed to generate the customer statement. Zoho Books generally offers options to either save the statement as a PDF or send it directly to your client via email, providing flexibility based on your communication needs. And there you have it, a complete customer statement ready to be shared. Zoho Books streamlines this process, making it efficient without compromising on accuracy or detail. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for keeping your business finances in check using Zoho Books.